Yo, what's going on, guys? Y'all already know who it is, man. It's your boy Broadway back again with another video, man. Hey, I am back, bro. I am back. You know, it's crazy, man, to really think. Scratch that. For all my real ride or dies, everybody that's been in Food Gang, B Nation from just day one, bro. Y'all understand that I'm here, then I might take off, then I'm here, then I might take off. You know what I'm saying? But you know, we're gonna really get into all that. But I'm gonna save all that for right now. Right now, we're gonna talk about this because I know this is what y'all wanna see and this is what y'all wanna talk about and hear about. So, without further ado, man, let's get right into this. Let's go. Basically, as y'all can see, man, this is where my hair is right now. You know, focus. All right, there we go. I went on and decided to go ahead and freeform. As y'all can tell in my last dread video update that I did, the beautician just messed up my hair, bro. So I really just didn't like how it looked. I didn't like how it turned out. So I just went on and washed it out. For any of y'all that, you know, if you don't like how a beautician or a female do y'all dreads, you know what I'm saying, just wash them out, you know what I'm saying? And just get them redone. Don't stick with the look if you don't like the look. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much what I'm trying to get y'all to understand. But yeah, man, this one I made right now. Let me get y'all a full 360 right quick. You know what I'm saying? It's been a little minute. I keep looking up here. I gotta get back to looking at y'all right there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let's check out this 360 view right fast, and yeah, let's get it. Now, we're gonna talk about this right here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I really don't know what happened right here. You know what I'm saying? But I just don't have a lot of hair right there. And I don't know if it's because of my previous journey, or two previous journeys that I did. But as I was growing my hair, that problem wasn't there. But as my hair continues to get taller, for some reason, it's like a little spot missing right there. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. I ain't tripping. But here go the side. Let's go. Can y'all see that? Good, you know. I just want y'all to see, man, how everything coming. You know what I'm saying? Hey, one thing for sure though. Let me pull this down right quick. One thing for sure though. I need y'all to let me know down below in the comments right now. Where are y'all right now in y'all journey? Are you 1 month, 2 months, 2 years, 6 months, 8 months, 3 years? Whatever it is, man, make sure y'all let me know down below in the comments. Cause now that I'm back on YouTube, now that I got my camera back, now that I got everything that I pretty much need to get back in full-fledged of doing this right here, I want to get back to watching you guys' journeys as well, because I know it wouldn't be right if y'all just watched my journey and I didn't watch y'all's. You know what I'm saying? Cause I fuck with y'all. It's just that's how it is. You know what I mean? So yeah, check out the back view right quick. Let's get it. Wow. Matter of fact, let me walk in the restroom right quick. The lighting probably gonna be bad, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, yeah, that lighting is terrible. But that's my hair, man. Hold on, let's see. I'm trying to zoom in for y'all. Alright, there you go. That's the back of my head, you know what I'm saying? For y'all that wanna see. That's what my hair look like in the back. You know what I'm saying? Then we got this side. We got this side, we got these. We got this, you know what I'm saying? So they coming together, bro, you know what I'm saying? Y'all understand that it take patience, so y'all gotta make sure y'all stick with it. What else I wanna talk to y'all about? Basically, where I've been at, you know what I'm saying? And I really feel like I owe y'all an explanation. Because I remember doing a video a couple months ago and I said I was just gonna quit YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Just things like that, because I just wasn't motivated anymore. I wasn't inspired. But this new type of energy that came across me, and I just feel motivated and inspired to get back out here. And one thing that I want y'all to know about me is that, bro, I am so relentless. Like, I will not give up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, for y'all that's been here with me since day one, which was about, what, 5-6 years ago, I was at a point where I was growing tremendously, and then I started going down, then I go back up, then I go down, you know. So for me, I just been trying to find that real consistent balance of just being able to interact with you guys, you know what I'm saying? I just feel like, man, I put so much focus on the music. Once I seen YouTube kept making me go up and down, and I really don't like being up and down, you know what I'm saying? I understand, bro, don't get it twisted. I understand life is all about, it's like a roller coaster. Sometimes you up, sometimes you down, true. But, you know, for me, bro, and I don't know if some of you guys didn't notice, but I truly feel like, or felt like I would have became successful. Even though I still feel successful already, you know what I'm saying? It's just a mentality that I have, but I felt like I would have already blew up by now. You know what I'm saying? Just videos, my previous videos, if y'all go and check my old videos for all of my new subscribers, if you watching this right now, if you go check my old videos, bro, I'm 50,000, 60,000, 40,000, 20,000. You know, I'm racking up views, bro. But you know, I just was never able to get over that hump, man. You know what I'm saying? And I felt like that put me in a depression mode. It put me into a mode of just panic mode because I just didn't understand. You know what I'm saying? Like, for me to be so talented and gifted and still not be at the level that I wish I was at or feel like I should be at, it's just very frustrating. And I just feel like over these last 2 years for sure, I just been going through it, bro, mentally, and just trying to get back to that peace of mind, you know what I mean? And just realizing, how did I get to that place, and how did I get to that depression place that I was in at that point? But anyways, with that being said, I'm finally out that energy. That energy is gone. It's released. I let it go. You know what I'm saying? So I remember who I am. And I felt like that was a very important thing that I had to get back to remember. Once I started doing the music, I kind of started losing myself. You know what I'm saying? Not in the sense of like, okay, basically more so, I live in Memphis, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Memphis people out there if you watching, you know what I'm saying? You from the M. Or if you got family from the M, shout out that. Make sure y'all put it in the comments. If y'all from the M, put that 901 down there for me. Comment that down there for me. But I just really felt like, bro, Memphis, it's hard to make it out of Memphis. You know what I'm saying? Memphis is one of those cities, bro, that's just like any other small city. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to entertainment, it's just very difficult. Even though right now, Memphis is hot right now on the scene as far as like music-wise. You know what I'm saying? But Memphis only looks for one type of artist or one type of sound. Memphis doesn't have a versatile type of sound. It's all trap music. You know what I'm saying? And if you're a type of artist that can mix it up like a Drake or a Wiz Khalifa or a Big Sean, you know what I'm saying? A$AP Rocky, you know what I mean? Just those type of artists that is big mainstream. You know what I'm saying? That can reach more than one crowd. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm that type of artist. But, you know, I haven't really just took off just yet simply because of that reason. So, you know, just learning all these things that I need to learn to help me get to that next level. You know, doing the same thing over and over and over and expecting a different result is insanity. And if you have to keep it real with yourself, you know what I'm saying? Like, hold on one second. Mouth a little dry. But you gotta keep it real with yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to. And it came to a point where I had to keep it real. You know what I'm saying? And I had to wonder, I had to sit back and really just be like, who am I? Who do I want to be? And where do I want to go? And once I asked myself those three questions again, things start to change for me again. So like I said, now that I'm back, I just want to thank all y'all. You know, I really don't take it for granted, bro. It might seem like it, but for all of y'all that still come and watch my videos every time I drop, I swear to God, bro, I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all don't have to, because of my inconsistency. But y'all still come anyway. So for that, salute to y'all. Love, bro. Love, for real. Like, love, bro. And yeah, but that's pretty much it on this update, man. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show y'all, you know what I mean, where I was and my update with my hair. Like I said, once again, I am freeforming. Semi-freeform, really not all the way true freeform. But I'm back, man, and we about to get ready to level up, man. And I'm just excited. You know, I didn't even have my camera for at least 2-3 months. I had sold it and everything, took it to the pawn shop, all that. But I got it back. It was sitting there right on the shelf, just waiting on me to come back and get it. And God led me back here, man. So we're gonna get back to it, man. Like I said, man, shout out to all y'all that's been here since day one. Shout out to all my new subscribers, bro. If you new, shout out to y'all, bro. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know y'all new subscribers as well, man. Let me know down below in the comments, man. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro, in this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I got more videos coming. Y'all know that. But with that being said, bro, I'll see y'all later, man. Catch y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. If you haven't subscribed and you still watch my videos, you need to subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm finna head out on that note, y'all. Peace out.